Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Roblox and confirming your account email. This unlocks purchases. Once done, open the avatar editor and the avatar shop because you need to locate Panda-themed assets quickly. Make sure you have Robux or know which free item to claim to avoid interruptions. Search the term Panda using filters for accessories, bundles, and limiteds. This narrows results. You act now so you'll find compatible skins or separate pieces that combine into a panda look. Next, you choose the specific parts that form the panda skin: head, face, torso textures, and clothing pieces that share black and white tones. While selecting, check compatibility. R15 avatars handle layers differently than R6 because mismatched rigs break the look. Once items are in your inventory, open Avatar Editor and layer them. Place headgear, then torso, then clothing so overlaps read naturally. If you want a full bundle, buying it simplifies assembly. If not, combine separate assets for greater customization. Finally, apply the assembled outfit and preview it in a game to check proportions and movement. If parts clip, adjust accessory positions or switch between R15 and R6 to see which rig renders correctly. This often fixes invisible or misaligned pieces. If an item fails to load, try re-equipping or clearing cache. If it still breaks, use Roblox refund/purchase policy to resolve purchases. Remember to test animations so the panda look reads well during movement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.